recentering the truth of the island, the truth about Jamaica and who we are and the role that we play in the world. The very reason why Kamala Harris is the vice president with a Jamaican connection that she does not even like. They're just using the Jamaican connection because of what the Jamaican connection mean to everyone, everywhere. And so we are not going to speak in layman's term anymore. We're going to speak this truth openly and clearly. And with all the shadow banning where the government are going to put over, we think, since burial we notice, say, as some of we phone alone cloud come over. Saying, but we still have, if I even 6 people are going to hear that message here, we are going to make sure so we leave it in a record. Jamaica people and those who are hearing, and I know the people on here who are listening and why they are listening, I'm saying to you and all the people that is continuing to stand with the wrong side of history while Jamaican people suffer who the history truly belong to. And while me a boil up now, me just address Miss Kitty while me a boil up. Miss Kitty, years me a sit down with you, sis, and me a say to you, say, Jamaican woman need a kind of example in women that will more likely remind them of who them supposed to be and not necessarily what society want make them to be. But kind of notice you go up on a little rant against Jamaican woman from the other day from a perspective of the fact that you married and have a family, and that's beautiful because every Jamaican, every black family should live that way and don't have to make an excuse about it or explain it. It should be normal for melanated couples to fall in love and have children and get married if they want to. However, the same slave plantation where you are bought to keep going, Miss Kitty, is the reason why these black women cannot be the kind of women that they are supposed to be, because they are not getting the opportunity that probably you would have afforded yourself because of your self-drive and your self-awareness and your self-love and your ability to show people that no one can stop you from becoming who you are. You if you stop talk down to Jamaican woman now and start lift up Jamaican woman and stop use funo experiences where uno have because uno figure out a way how to get on the throne where uno depend. Remember, Miss Kitty, I sat and watched you encourage Jamaican women to go take the vaccine. You told them that they were also workless. Me notice say, as some little boy like quit Perry them, you sit down in when you do your life them. What are you truly influencing us as Jamaicans to do, Miss Kitty? Me really have to really ask you. And me used to sit down with you and I said to you, say, yo, you know, so me really want to see you do a little bit more than what you do for Jamaican people when you use the dialect and them something. I kind of notice that you just a flirt with the dialect just to suit the people them where you're trying to reach to and trying to like you and impress you. You influencers are the worst thing that ever happened to Jamaica since social media invent. Because all you guys do is come on and bat for the system and talk down to the very people who love you and make you popular. So Miss Kitty, me not agree with your sentiments where you share on TikTok towards black women in this country. Me think you can take a better approach to how you defend your marriage and your love that you're experiencing with your beautiful child that you just gave birth to. Ease up on Jamaican woman, because Jamaican woman did not make their situation the way it was. Slave masters and people like yourselves who support slave masters are the way Jamaican are the way they are. Because you are the big influencers. What you influencing Jamaican people to do? What exactly are you influencers influencing Jamaican people to do? Look what you all have done to Jamaican people. Look what you all endorse. Look what you all support. See? And now you're now talking down to Jamaican people and especially Jamaican women who you all have subliminally helped to become whores and prostitutes and have no self-worth and don't think them value nothing. See, me sit down and watch the whole of the whole of are bad for the system. None of them are bad for Jamaican people. And so let me come back over to the maroon them and tell all of the artists them, Jesse Royal Father, you can't threaten me. Let me tell you that what you're doing in the maroon community is wrong, Jesse Royal Father. What you doing in the maroon community is wrong. So all the negativities that you all are pushing around my name in the maroon communities and trying to tell people that they shouldn't let me in the maroon. Why I shouldn't be let in the maroon communities? Because you guys want to continue to hide the corruption in the maroon communities that you're using to keep Jamaica down and the world and Africa by extension. We're saying that a compound must pull up and Richard Currie must come to Jamaican people and tell them the truth that a compound represents for the British and not Jamaica and black people. And Kabuma at Keru, them must come forward and tell Jamaican people that they are Pan-Africanists who are leaning towards the ills of society and don't want to admit it because they cannot truly speak on behalf of the real ancestors, those who stood up in Flagstaff and told the oppressors no. So we are saying to all the free people and all the friendly maroons who wanted to fight and who fought with the real maroons of Jamaica, the real Nine-Kepong state, I'm still calling on you, L.A. Lewis, to stop telling lies and to bring back the documents that Rastology gave you. Bring back the things that Rastology gave you to Flagstaff. They are all using Flagstaff documents. Let me talk it the way it is. I'm not hiding anything. These people are using documents that belongs to Flagstaff, Trelawney Town, Maroons, against Jamaica and the world and the entire maroon community, and we are saying that it must stop, and they're threatening my life. Them calling me dry-head girl, them disrespectful in all the sense of the word, and I'm not going to sit in the background and not say it out loud. Seeing, so I am calling out Jesse Royal Father right now, seeing, to stop saying ills about my name in the maroon communities and to bring back the truth to Trelawney Town Maroon, the truth about Jamaica. The cotton tree in Packity is the truth about Jamaica. The cotton tree near Petty River, that is where Jamaica is governed from. The 1738 treaty, Jamaican people. And they're keeping it as a secret from you. And they don't want to let you know that that is the reason why you're not free. Because the documents that govern your rights and to have you be the people that you're supposed to be, they don't want to put it into the hands of the rightful owners, the Trelawney Town, Cudjoe Town Maroons. And they all know that that's where the documents belong, so that Jamaica can be free from what is coming. And because of that, that is why the New World Order can't establish either, because they need the 1738 treaty go ahead. And the owners of it are in Trelawney Town, the unconquerable Maroons who stood against oppression. That is the treaty that they cannot go around. So we are saying, I am sitting here in front of the world naked because I did not form any alliance with anyone else but the people. Seeing? And so this is why I'm not hiding this truth anymore. I'm talking it as plain as day. Seeing? The Maroon community, we need to unite in the Maroon community. Seeing? Buju Banton, you're on the wrong side and you're leading black people down the wrong path. Seeing? The right side to be on is Flagstaff, Trelawney Town side. That is the side that we need to start talking about. The 1st of March is where the true celebration of our ancestors should happen, because that is where the 1738 treaty was, when the 1738 treaty was ratified. Basra, you cannot deny it, Basra. None of you that talking about maroon truth cannot deny it. You all know the truth, that you are living a lie of the 1795 sellout treaty that a compound went against Kojo and Nani and signed. And that is why Jamaica is the way it is. And until us as Jamaicans stand up in unity and decide that we're not going to take this anymore as a people, we want back with people, we want back with country, we want back the way our country was. We want back with country the way it was. We want back with country the way it was. We was a peaceful people. We were here before slavery. Jamaicans were here. Black people, Nubian, melanated people were here before slavery. All of our problems started when slavery came along. And this is what they're hiding from us. And they've been telling us a lie. And if we vote in Andrew Holness, and if we vote in Mark Golding, and they do not come and stand and tell you the truth, they are working for the world order, and they want to set up a new republic that will turn free people into slaves. Free people who were never slaves, and all of these people that they have on social media as influencers, they are there to hide the truth from you, to demonize me. Every time I come to speak, they try to demonize me because they don't want the truth to reveal. Jamaica is the head of the world. Our country, this island, Jamaica, is the head of the world. They are all waiting on us to see what we are doing so that they can know what to do next. So I am asking the IDEM to pray for the Flagstaff Trelawney Town community. It's a beautiful community, and we ask that the community continue to protect the legacy of who we are as a people, because that is where the truth really lies. And I'm asking for a compound maroons. Yeah, man. Stop the negativity against us and let us unite and speak our truth the way it is supposed to speak, not because we are benefiting from the negatives of the sellout treaties and the sellout arrangements, but because our people blood is shedding, and no one will come to our rescue if we don't do the unity. So I am telling the community of all the maroons here in Jamaica and in the diaspora that I am not an enemy of the maroon communities, but I am crying for peace once and for all among us as maroons, as Jamaican people, and as the African people and the world. And Jamaica will, and Jamaica is the place to do it, because it all started here. It all started here. We are the true democracy. We are the out of one many. It was one colony of many different people. People came from all over the world and was brought to this island. And there was a conscious collective that was living here. And then when slavery came along, the divided happened. And most of the ones, they stayed with the slavery. And those of us in the resistance decided that we will resist through generations to generations until the truth be told that Jamaica is not a slave island. Jamaica is the place where the Almighty Creator dwells here on this island. And the people are suffering because the forces of darkness have set up an umbrella over the country to keep darkness upon us. And so this is why they have created so much dark artists in our music, so much dark politician, so much dark gunman in our communities, no one with no light, not so much darkness in our churches. Everything is just darkness. So we now have to be the ones to say no more. Let the truth reveal for what it is. All of those who find themselves on the side of the enemy, come over to the side of the people once and for all. And this is the only reason why we do the roll call that we do. To say Jamaica is the place that can fix the world. Jamaica is the place that can fix the world. And the world that they're trying to give, I just want to give an encouragement to the athletes that are going to Paris, that no matter what version we are the strongest. We are the strongest. We are the strongest role models of the world. So don't let that little demon boy from America we name Noah, we take a little girl from Jamaica again and use her to learn about us, that them can, because the only way that they can go against us is to use us against us. That's the only way. So I want to say to me Jamaicans, them who truly patriotic, who is going over to Paris to this Olympics, make sure say you know say this is the Olympic of all Olympics, because they want to put Jamaica on our feet. They want to put us on our knees. They want us to bow down so that they can say they took us down and they took us from God. But make we show them say we little but we tell our for true. I would have love if a youth like all Usain Bolt too can come out and give a word of encouragement to the real athletes them. Not the gay one them where them a come plant in our team them. For push them agendas through with sports. For push them agendas through with music. For push them agendas through with politician them. PNP, Lisa Anna, you can bat for the system underneath Jamaican banner. Babsy Grange, you sold us out to the beast. You sold out with culture and turn with culture in a brand. And that you no do to Jamaica and make the world a laugh off of Jamaica and a treat we like we mediocre. But me a beg those of us who know and know so we not have to use no violence and we not have to use no chop up and we not have to use no burn down, but we can stand up and make the world know say that Jamaica there is still alive, that Jamaica there is still well, and we don't want no demon to be with influencer, we don't want no dopey to be with influencer. We want real living people who know we culture, know where we stand for, know where we believe in, know who we are, to stand up and make the world know say Jamaica not dead, we not dead, me not dead, we not dead, we alive, and we the world are wait pan to set the world free. This woman here, where they make become the vice president, we know why them did make somebody with Jamaican blood inside of them. Look what them are do with culture. Them are turn with culture in a brand, while the true living people where the culture belong to sit down and suffer. 20 rebel come to the front of the class. I have something to say to you. Me notice say you sit down and make Joe Bogdanovich take rebel salute and turn it in a some face. A years me sit down in the background and say to you, say, Mr. Rebel, listen when me I say to you. If you not protect rebel salute because you say no alcohol, no meat, no profanity, they are not going to support you. Is the people have to go stand up with you. So whatever it take, you have to go make the people them know say is because you not choose to go with them while them fight you. And Mr. Rebel, you know, listen to me. And now you make scatterbarrel them turn red, green, and gold in a Sodom and Gomorrah underneath rum and Saddamism. And that you make a up, Mr. Rebel. And you need to stand up and come from behind the curtains and come be the soldier for Jamaican people. Unite yourself with Buju Banton and Berry Saman and the whole of the artists them who stand up on the front who can show off with them big crowd them where them can gather. Who not gather them crowd there for? Who not gather them crowd there for? Is it for the benefit of the people and the country that made uno into the giants where uno be, that uno afraid to get up so much, that uno afraid to come back, come stand up with the said people them? Jamaica deserve more than this. The real Jamaica deserve more than this. We should not sit on the sideline and allow our beloved Mecca of the world to look like this. in front the world. So make we do the right thing, and Jamaica people, the ultimate right thing for all of these leaders that I'm talking about to do in music, in politics, is to first of all speak the truth about what the kinder tree really mean, which is the cotton tree down a Packety, down a Trelawney, down a Flagstaff, where we real ancestors stood with God and told the oppressors after years, many, many years of them trying to conquer us, they had to come to the bushes to say, I surrender to you and I respect you and I pledge to live alongside you peacefully. It wasn't us who went to them, it was them who came to us. So how we are turn this now? One kinder, one Jamaica, one Africa, one world. That is the new republic. That is the change. That is the approach where we need to make the world be the better place to advance the whole human race. That is the role where Jamaica supposed to play. Not this one where them hurrying up to turn us into slaves down here. By the food where them give you things like KFC, I feed we because them like we. You think say Jerry and nephew have rump on the ground spread out like wildfire because them love we? No. It's control. It's control. This is not who we are as a people. This is not who we are as a people. This is not who we are as a people. And the Maroon community can fix it with, first of all, the unity, the ultimate unity in the Maroon communities. I am telling the Maroon that are going with the system to stop. To say no to the George Soroses of the world and the big guns of the world and the big forces of the world, who no matter who they are, they have to establish out of Jamaica. L.A. Lewis, you need to bring back the stuff that Rastology gave you. It does not belong to you, son. Bring it to the rightful place so that Jamaica can function from the rightful place. The people. It belongs to the people. Jamaica, the land, belongs to the people of Jamaica. We are a sovereign country. Big up Kenya. Thank you for standing up. And from what I'm hearing, truthfully standing up. Not no dark forces infiltration. We have to do something right now. We have to do something right now. We have to do something right now. And the thing to do right now is the right thing. Stand with the Creator. Stand with our ancestors. Stand with where the real truth lies. Let your mouth become a sharp sword against the dark forces. Tell these dark artists that you don't want them to influence your children anymore. These dark promoters, these dark producers, that you don't want them to produce music for your ears and for your children anymore. Buju Banton, I'm saying this again to you publicly. You are on the wrong side, son. Jesse Royal, father, I'm saying this to you publicly. And you know why I'm saying this to you publicly. Do the right thing. Do the right thing and spread the right news in the maroon communities. Because it's unity we're aiming for in the maroon communities, not more division. One united maroon community, one united Jamaica, one united Africa, one united world. That's what you all say I should die for. Because I'm saying that I know. That's what I should die for. That's what I should die for. I know. That's what I should die for. Or we should be all saying unity, real love, real maroon family unity. I am not going to sit and have you guys spread false rumors around my name in the maroon communities. It's very damning and dangerous. Because love is the only approach that we've been pushing. Love. We say, make we tell Jamaica people the truth and set the world free. And that we say. Make we unite and tell Jamaica people, the world, the truth. And stand together as one united rock. And make the youth them in the inner city stop kill off themselves and the relationship them can better. So that Miss Kitty don't become a celebrity after cussing us out. Because me join the woman them where she a cuss out. And them me a stand with. When me would tell you if you do Miss Kitty, it stop bat for the system and come bat for Jamaica black people. And stop telling them to go take vaccine and tell them to go have Batman as them role model. That you fit tap though. And them thing and stop make them name false products and have society just endorse be things when not good for them. And uno na near me sitting them where not tell the people them for name. Simon Clark them na near me sitting them where them have encouraged Jamaica people for name. But every day you no come tell me where for name from when not for name. I'm tired of uno. I mean, I put my mouth on ground talk anymore moving forward. Me is officially a elder. Me have a right for rant. So me know said let those who have ears to hear that me I leave all these things and those who must screen record it because I want left it recorded. So that when the things them shall be playing out, you can get a full understanding. Jesse Royal Father again, may I tell you this publicly. Do the right thing. Do the right thing. Miss Agree. Do the right thing. And talk the thing right in the maroon community. And tell the maroon community say the right thing. Queen Africa try do in the maroon community. If you try unite it. And make the truth talk in the right way. Tell the people them say that me I do. I know. Tell the people them say that me I try do. You no stop tell people about me mad. You no stop tell people say me I try divide maroon. I unite me I try unite maroon so that Jamaica can unite and the world can unite. And the right way to do it is to start the truth. Talk the truth how it go. The truth of Jamaica have address. It have an address. It their Flagstaff. The truth for Jamaica, they are Flagstaff. No one can dispute it. None of them can dispute it. None of them. All them want to do is come set up kingdom over now. Everybody just want to come set up kingdom. And we are say, no more kingdom over Jamaica. Speak the truth and seek it ever, cause it what he will. He who hides the wrong, he does the wrong thing still. I am telling Jamaica, say, we have to stand up as a people and show them, say, the culture where them a build a giwi is not the culture where our ancestors dead and left giwi. I know that the culture there. Them a say them a build a new Jamaica and a force the real Jamaica behind. And I turn it in a brand right in front with face. And I brand it how them want brand it. And the maroon community leader them know. And them a facilitate it. And them a walk through. If you never think a lie, you not talk about PNP a better option, wait till them win. And see, you not go see the real rollout of the new world order. All Andrew Holness do and make sure say him stay in the position, censor who him for censor, lock up who him feel lock up, show say him can be the ultimate dictator leader. That's all I go on. We are going to wake up one morning and I say, Lord, Lord, how this happened to we, while some communities can walk around free. L.A. Lewis, again, Horus, may I tell you, please to call me. I've been trying to call this morning. Me not get you. Try call me, please, because we need to tell Jamaica people and the world the truth. I'm not going to make you walk around and not tell the people them the truth. And you not threaten me. I'm not going to say you LA because you say me and your friend. But I've been getting serious death threats. Seeing, I mean, no say the wider population of the Maroon community no know. Seeing, the wider population of the community are the little ones them we are trying to keep the secret for the system going. And them I try to spread the bad mouth. So me I use my platform to tell the world and to tell Jamaica and all of the Maroon communities them in the diaspora and all where you find yourself right across the hemisphere say. Seeing, because we say it must done once and for all and we must have unity now. Unity. And until we stand together and show that unity, we will all fall down. 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 So this is why they barking down my neck. Them a bark down my neck in the public. Them a bark down my neck in the private. Them a bark down my neck. I said, yo, mind where you do. Why me must mind where me I do? If me I say, tell the people them the truth, say we can unite for true. There's a way. There's a window. There's a window to do it. Just like how we can get the people them together to do everything else. We can't get them together to unite. Because we are going to show the first example. You see me? By we are going to unite in our differences amongst ourselves, forgive each other. That's all. Me I beg the big giant artists them to do. Just forgive one another for the things them we are keeping separated. Seeing? Just forgive one another. Make the people see a united front. We don't know. And say, you mean it. It's not a facade. Really, the way our people did love together. That is the way our people want to see together. You understand what I say? What wrong with that? What wrong with that? What wrong with pushing for that? What is so wrong with pushing for that? Yeah, them see what I say. So as we are right now, we are in dialogue in the Maroon community, and yes, it's up and down and it's shaky and so. But at the end of the day, we hope that we can come united in front of the people and say to the people, say, yeah, this is what the Maroon community is doing in Jamaica to show that we are on board with unity, real, true, pure unity, where St. Thomas and Portland and anywhere we find ourselves, we can gather upon one neutral ground and we can stand and play music together and eat together in a real love. How the hell we feel live on an island with so much different cultures and celebrate so much different things and we can't find a way how we all do it together? Why we don't want to do it together? Because we are benefit from the division. Because somehow we are benefit from the division. Me link Mark Golden and me say to Mark Golden, say, Mark Golden, please, me I beg you, don't win the next election, but be the change where Jamaica want to see for true, where a politician stand up and side with the people once and for all, not in political affiliations. I know me no hear back from them on that. But everybody, you go see all of them election plans are going to roll out and it are going to look like they're all for you. Because them are going to say all the things that you're going to want to hear them say. But are they going to do them when they get in? Or are they going to turn Jamaica and America into one and the new world order that will rule the world? Do you think the entire world will go with that? Or do you think the entire world would prefer to go with all indigenous parties, all Maroon communities uniting in Jamaica and saying, yes, the truth is, Trelawney Town, Flagstaff Maroons are the flag bearers of the truth, are the flag bearers of freedom, the unconquerable spot in Jamaica. And that is the truth of who we are. And when we realize that with one voice, as a people, standing together, every artist saying, we love all Maroon community Flagstaff Maroon is the head of all Maroon community. And we gather around that as a central understanding of us working out our black history the right and proper way. Kabu, them no want to do that because them are running African. So them want to collect reparations money and run off with. Tell me if me wrong then, no Kabu. Why you block me? Why you not talk to me? Why you not reach out? You see me? Why? Why you not shun the truth here? Why you not shun the idea here of the conversation? Because everybody want to be rulers and everybody want to lead and everybody want to say, I am the one who is mighty over all. We are the world, man. We are the children. We are the one to make a better way. So let's start giving. All are we supposed to come together and be better? You know how long me I beg with 1 and 1 and 2 I'm an artist them say make we do one song together now. We are the world song. Me can't get nobody to come together around that. Me I go try again. Me I go make a call to ones and ones. You see me? Maybe I the wrong set of people then me call. So me I go call a different set and we see. You want to tell me say if we know a way to make Jamaica unite, we know to do everything to make that happen? And we do everything to make that happen? But no one no willing because them busy one side and make them own individual kingdoms. While the people who truly the meek, who truly inherit the earth, suffer and look on and suffer. Me top big friend now, you know. Me stop make it look like, you notice, we have control over ourselves, man. And that's why we can see what go on and can lend we voice to it the way we do, because at the end of the day, a true change we want to see for true. We really want to see a country where we don't must agree on everything, but we can coexist in a manner where can be an example to people looking on, though. You know, what is so wrong with that? What is so wrong with that? If we get the opportunity to shape a future that can benefit all of us, not just some. What is so wrong with that? Why should we still continue to have one set of people living on this island fat as a fucking pig, while the rest just work to keep them fat? You show me the fairness in that. When you are a natural habitat of entrepreneurs, people who naturally know how to survive on them own. And you're trying to tell me that this is not a real place. My country is a real place and real shit did happen here. And we are real, true examples of the world. You see me? So while you all continue to push on the garbage from our country and try to shape a narrative about our country that is not real, the ancestors using some of us to set the record straight. And we ain't saying no to our ancestors. And we ain't saying no to the survivors of the truth, who you still ignore, who are breathing, living people who carry the truth of them ancestors and are afraid to even say it out aloud because of what might happen to them. And we're saying the time has come for us now to say no more, no more. We really and truly are using our voice fully to say that Jamaica is the head of the world and it functions out of Trelawney Town, Flagstaff in St. James. And they're using the documents that people are using belong to that community. And when that community can govern itself, Jamaica by extension will be able to govern itself as well, because it would be in the hands of the rightful owners, the true owners of the land. Yeah, man, it's in a history. The item can go look it up, man. The 1738 treaty ratification, and you have people like Basra, them where talk about Grenada and some whole heap of other treaty. But it's the 1738 treaty is the predominant treaty, man. So people have to go establish if them did come before 1738 or after 1738. And I did come before 1738, man. Then come here, come see we. And we them do the blood oath with. And we say we no can't get we land. And we help we African brothers and sisters off of the slave ship them. And bring them up in the mountains amongst themselves and show them real freedom. Jamaica, it happen. Nowhere else. And I said nowhere else, not forgetting the Americas with the native Indians and all the other indigenous of Brazil and indigenous of Australia. I'm just talking about who set the first example, boy. Yeah. Jamaica set the first example, boy. Yeah. No one can go around it, then can write versions of the truth, but the truth is what it is. You can't sugarcoat. This island Jamaica stand predominant when it comes to freedom fighting. We stand the closest to God when it comes to religious belief. Or let me say belief. Seeing? So we not normal as a little island. That's why we leaders them wicked too, so. Because they know the truth and a farm a new Jamaica around it. And all of we were going to plan for resist it. Them a plan for kill we and put we in a prison and call it resistance and upset. But we not have to do it in a foolish way. We can stand up truthfully in front of God and man and declare to the world, say we are living and we are alive and we will not stand with the devil. We will not bow to the devil. We will not sanction the New World Order out of Jamaica. We will not do it. We can't do that. The true Christian them were left. The true Rasta them were left. The true Maroon them were left. The true Jamaican them were left. We can't do it. We can't stand together with God and do it. And stop the devil once and for all in our country. Yes, cool under educator, stand for God and fear no evil. Because when the blood what, you know, was between the creator, the ancestors, you know, and the oppressors, you know. It was a blood what, you know. Seeing? It was a blood what them did have to come drink out of we calabash, you know. And respect we, you know. Them for respect with Jamaica. Them not fi allowed to do with this. We have to rally round with self. We have to rally round with self. That's why them black eye and eye out. Them black out the ones them will come with the light for sure we wait to be freedom. And we have to stand up and say no more, no more. We're not having it, we're not having it. Boycott them. Boycott them. And we teach the world how to boycott them. So me I said to the Maroon them we are hold on to the system. Let go. And make we hold on to the ancestor them where then kill off. Make we hold on to the ancestor them and stand up with the ancestor them and fight with the ancestor them and make them know say one not dead, not dash away. Eh? One not dead, not dash away, man. So the gist of today is to say to Jesse Royal Father to do the right thing, King Man. And tell the community of the Maroons that Queen Africa is of good intent and his good wishes as a gammon. This is what a gammon should do. Unite the Maroon communities in our differences and hug and show true love and forgiveness. That is why the ancestors never did kill a compound. They send them over to St. Elizabeth. Talk it how it go. So when you go to St. Elizabeth on the 6th of January, you're not celebrating the victory, you're celebrating the defeat. You're celebrating the joining of the forces of darkness against our ancestors. That's what you defend. And we're saying In order to set our ancestors free, we have to set these events. We have to reset these events to satisfy the will of our ancestors. And there will be no peace until we do that. There will be no peace until we do that. It cannot be done politically. It cannot be done in a divisive tribal division, religious division. It has to be done in a one kinder, one family. All of us having the conversation, uncomfortable as it will be, as it is. But at the end of the day, coming to the consensus, say, we are the people who will have to set us free. No one will do it for us. We will have to do it for ourselves. And we have enough people here now who are very great in influence, who are worthy to sit at said table and say, on behalf of our ancestors, no more. Let us do things in the right and proper way and reset our history as everyone else is doing for theirs. But all you want to do is send round death threat and me fi dead. And when then if you let me in a maroon business and when me are doing, what you mean by when me are doing, and me a maroon business. What you mean by when me are doing a maroon business? So, we have to unite now, because a unity will come about and never more war and more strife. A unity. And if you set up no shop for the system, so that the system, because where the them are going to do now a force, if you come talk deliberately where the them are do, and directly where the them are do, and show proof of it, and no can't wipe nothing, because they fi show proof, they fi show say, a foolish this will not go on with behind the scene with black people business. You see me? A foolish this will not go on with behind the scene with black people business. And because we are say we are do this thing responsible. We are say, yeah, me no man, make we do the thing the right way. Make we do the thing the right way. To save with generations to come. You see me? So, as we say, we not give them no more heads up here now, we know. But me have to make a report to the eye them we are tuning in. And make the eye them know what is happening now. Seeing? We saying what is happening now is we need to start saying it louder that the truth about Jamaica lies in Flagstaff, Trelawney Town, St. James. That is where the truth of Jamaica lies. The freedom of Jamaica rests in the hand of the Accompong Maroon. The freedom of Jamaica rests in the hand of Accompong Maroon. So, Honorable Chief Richard Currie, let us do the right thing on behalf of our ancestors and set the people free once and for all by resetting our way, our terms in front of God and man.
Welcome back. So in this video, this lady spoke about a lot of concerns about Jamaica, people's affiliation and connection with the country of Jamaica, how Jamaicans can unite, work together in order to forge forward in this life. Also, she dwelled much of her attention on the Maroon community. Now, with regards to the Maroon community, they signed a treaty with the British after slavery when they were being given their freedom to rule and govern themselves. So this treaty has been something that I think the documents is with some group of people, and there has been this back and forth with the documentations of this particular treaty. So she speaks out to the Maroon community for them to come together, work together in order to achieve a common purpose or a common goal. Because the issue of slavery brought to them a lot of hardship and a lot of difficult and trying times before they were able to get their independence, or their ancestors were able to get their independence. Also, she stated that Jamaicans as a whole should be united, and this will, in a way, translate into unity with Africans and also unity with the entire world. There were a lot of things that she talked about in this video. These are just a few of them that I pointed out. Let me know what you also learned from this video. Don't forget to like the video and share to your friends and your family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Just click the subscribe button down here. Click on the subscribe button. Click as well on the notification bell. And I'd like to see you again in my next video.